Have you been looking for affordable new construction homes for sale in the upstate South Carolina area with great incentives on the homes? Well, today we're going to tour the Crest community by Liberty Communities here in Roebuck, South Carolina. Now, there are a couple of builders in this neighborhood. SK Builders is in the neighborhood, but today we're going to tour the decorated model of Liberty Communities right here in Crest subdivision. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville, Spartanburg, Anderson, Roebuck, Simpsonville, and all the towns and cities in between. Now, Crest, there are about a couple of hundred lots in this neighborhood. Like I said, there are a couple of builders in the neighborhood. There is a swimming pool in this community. There's a playground cabana in this neighborhood as well. Right now, it's in the first phase of the development, so there are plenty of lots left for you to build a home on. Liberty Communities, they are offering for the first 5 homes that go under contract in this development, they're offering up to $20,000 in flex cash. There are a few homes that are built already in inventory, but there's plenty of lots to build on. So $20,000 that you can use towards buying down your interest rates, paying your closing costs, or if you're building it from scratch, you can add a few additional options. I will tell you, this particular builder, they do add a ton of upgrades that are included in the base price of these homes. These homes are kitted out really nicely. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. There are bidet toilet seats, bidet toilet in the master bedroom, LED mirrors in the master bedroom, standalone tub in the master bedroom, separate shower with towel shower, and it does have the bench seat included with the rain head, shower head. There are plenty of upgrades in this home. Walk-in pantry in this particular model that we're going to take a look at. This is a decorated model and it's called the Jodeco floor plan. The Jodeco floor plan, it's a little over 2,300 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. We're going to take a look at it here in a moment. Everything that you're going to see in this home comes in the base price. The base price on this home is $316,990. The only thing that you add to this home is the lot premium. So either you're going to pay $2,000 for a lot premium or $2,500, depending on the lot that you choose. And everything else comes standard. Now, unless you wanted to add a covered patio, which this particular decorated model does have a covered patio in the back. If you wanted to add that, that would be extra. And there's also some accent walls that they've added to the decorated model here, as well as a refrigerator. That's also an add-on. So, but everything else that you see here comes standard in these homes. Obviously, except the furniture that's in it, because this is a decorated model. But other than that, you basically pick a plan that you like. You pay the base price plus your lot premium. Like I said, it's either $2,000 or $2,500. So let's take a look at this decorated model, and so you can check it out. If you like and enjoyed watching these videos, please like and subscribe so you can be notified as we post new videos weekly. All right, let's check out the Jodeco floor plan by Liberty Communities right here in Crest subdivision. And by the way, Crest is less than 15 minutes from the Westgate Mall area where Costco is located. Plenty of restaurants, shops, entertainment in that area. So it's super conveniently located, easy access to the highway. Let's take a look at the Jodeco model and see what you think. All right. All right, so that's the entrance into the neighborhood there. And as you can see, this is the Jodeco decorated model. All right, there's a few homes already in the neighborhood here, not many. So there are plenty of lots. This is definitely the beginning stage of this neighborhood. The garage door is missing here because inside the garage, they're gonna have the sales office will be in the garage. Front porch here, and you've got this glass in the front door, so it lets in additional natural light into the home. Spacious foyer area. All right, on the flooring here, this is what comes standard, is roll vinyl on the flooring. As you can see, it's made to look like LVPs, but it's not LVP. You can upgrade to LVP, but this is what comes standard, is the roll vinyl. All right, to the left here is a study, and this could be the 5th bedroom as well. There is a closet in here, and as you can see, that's an upgrade in this home with the accent wall. All right, let's go this way, and here you're going to see what would be the coat closet and the downstairs bathroom with the shower, comfort height, sink vanity, and as you can see there, it does have the bidet toilet seat. Okay, we're gonna go into the garage here, and they are in the process of working on the sales office, so it's being kitted as a sales office right now. And I'll give you an idea. Basically, if you build one of these homes from scratch, these are your options as far as the cabinets go. So you have the white, the gray, and the espresso, and these will be your options for the granite countertops. Okay, if you decided to build one of these from scratch. They are going to put laminate flooring in here, but you can, basically upgrade to laminate flooring, or you can do the LVP. Okay. All right, so we'll get back in the house here. On this side, you have the family room, living room area. There's a electric fireplace, and this does change colors. It is on right now, so it does change colors. So if you wanted to change the ambiance in the room, that does change colors. And another upgrade, you have the accent wall in this room as well. So that's another upgrade in this room. Okay, and you got let's go into the kitchen here. Got the nice peninsula, places you can put bar stools there. And it does come with this cup wash station, so you can be able to easily wash your cups, and the water will just come out and spray the cups. All right, let's check out this good sized pantry here. Walk in, definitely enough room to go to Costco or do some serious grocery shopping. Pan around here. Stainless steel appliances. And like I said, everything that you're seeing right now comes standard in these homes, regardless of which one that you build in this community. Everything that you're seeing comes standard, except those accent walls that I just showed you, the refrigerator that's right behind me in the kitchen, and the patio, the covered patio that you're about to see. The patio itself comes standard, but the cover is not standard. So you can upgrade that if you wanted a covered patio. All right, so let's check out the outside here. These blinds are also standard. So as you can see, this one has the covered patio. All right, so let's head on upstairs. I like how they have this window in the stairs area here, so let's in some natural light. And up there you have the pull down attic, so you don't have to worry about, climbing a ladder to get up there. The ladder just pulls down from the attic. All right, so first room here is going to be your bathroom. Again, another comfort height, sink vanity, upgraded fixtures. You got that rectangular sink and another bidet toilet seat, rain head, shower head. bedroom here. You got the accent wall. Like I said, the blinds are also included in the base price. Another bedroom here. These are good sized bedrooms. Closet on that side. 3 windows in here, so you got some good natural light coming in. The laundry room. Good sized laundry room. Good sized hallway here too, so you don't feel cramped. Linen closet. And we'll go into this bedroom first. So this is another bedroom here. And these are all, good size, decent sized bedrooms. And this one actually has a walk-in closet. The other ones are just regular sized closets, but this one has a walk-in. Pan around. This is such a good sized room here. All right, so let's head into the owner's suite. They got this thing decorated pretty nicely in here. Good natural light coming in here. All right, the ensuite bathroom. To the left here is the water closet. Got that bidet toilet. And as you can see there, you got that bidet toilet. As you can see, there's a remote control that goes for these bidet toilets, so you can be able to control it remotely. You can set it up when it automatically opens when you walk up to it. And there are lights in there that change colors, and the seats are warm. It's heated seats as well. So that can be pretty cool. And linen closet here. It does have tile flooring in these floors. That's standard. The tile floors in the bathroom is standard. The tile shower as well, also standard, as well as the bench seat that's in the tile shower. The standalone tub. And this tub here, it actually lights up. The LED lights lights up when the water gets heated and everything like that. So pretty cool, smart tub. Also has the LED mirrors, along with these comfort height sink vanity with the granite countertops as well. So you can see that LED mirror with the nice sink bowl. Walk-in closet. Gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. Like I said, right now, for the first 5 homes that are sold in this neighborhood, they're offering up to $20,000 in flex cash to help buy down your interest rates, pay your closing costs. And if you build it from scratch, then you can use that and part of that to upgrade the home if you wanted to add additional upgrades. Not sure how much you need to upgrade to this home, because a lot of the stuff that you're seeing here comes standard. Like I said, everything except the covered patio outside, the accent walls, and the refrigerator. Other than that, everything that you're seeing in this home is standard feature in this home and in this community. So if you are interested in this home or any other new construction homes for sale in the area, or if you're interested in knowing what's going on in the market here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, let my team and I help you. You can give us a call at 864-438-5050 or visit our website, www.producerrealty.com, or you can click the link and schedule a meeting with me. All right, if there's anything that we can do, if you're interested in Liberty Communities, and they do have 11 communities here in the upstate South Carolina area that you can consider. Let me know if we can help you. Have a fantastic day. All right, see you soon. Bye.